Hello everyone, welcome to Instantly.ai. So what exactly is this tool? This tool is essentially an email campaign and automation tool, right? It stands out because it uses AI to automate and improve processes, which is why artificial intelligence is in its name. It says here, find, contact, and close your ideal clients. It claims to instantly help find leads, scale email campaigns, interact smarter, and boost earnings with AI. They showcase opinions, including the CEOs, which paint the platform in a very positive light. Users say it's user-friendly, has great support, and easy setup. This is its rating on G2. It allows unlimited emails and more, so pretty interesting. Huh? Unlimited sending too? Yeah. What's the catch? We can set filters and buy signals too, so this platform looks promising. Let's check it out. Let's give it... Oh, we can view the demo or hit get started. Not sure if they'll let us test for free, but I'll try. Looks like they do let us log in and test the tool a bit, huh? I like it. So yeah, this is Instantly.ai. Alright, we're in Instantly.ai, so let's check out how to use the lead finder, okay? It works by giving us access to a database of people or leads that we can search through. Here we can search using AI, as you can see, okay? Or we can set our own filters, alright? Like for specific job types, okay? And more. Let's say we're looking for, I don't know, worldwide. No, let's search for US engineers. There it is, AI search, okay? US engineers, and boom, everything shows up, literally everything. These are LinkedIn profiles, okay? As you can see, it's public data showing their company email, number, and location, okay? Basically, we'd select these and click add to campaign, okay? To your campaign, got it? This is how we'd get leads in Instantly.ai, okay? We can also create a list, alright? To group people in one place, and that's it. Simple as that. How do we connect our email account? We need this to send emails to people in Instantly.ai. As you know, we can get leads through Instantly.ai, but we need to send them emails, right? So which email account are we going to use? Basically, go to email account, click add new, and you'll see different options. You can use an existing account. You can set up a Google account with Gmail or G Suite, or connect Outlook, Gmail, etc. Choose whatever works for you. These are pro features, so that's how we connect our email account. How can we create a campaign in Instantly.ai? Well, basically, within the Instantly.ai platform, we'll go to campaigns, okay? Here we'll click add new, name our campaign, and then we'd add the leads, alright? I don't have any leads added now, but we'd click add leads to include them. We can even import leads if we want to. We'd have the statistics here, okay? It shows how many people opened our leads and so on. Our emails, that is. And here we could set up the campaign, alright? The email sequence, scheduling options, and so on, okay? So how does the sequence work? We add a variant. Well, okay, it requires the pro plan, I see. We can still use AI to generate some of the message content. The subject would be the email's title. Here we'd write the message we want to send and add steps, okay? For the second step, we might want it to happen on a specific day, right? We'd configure this if they let me. Alright, let's see. Okay, what's A/B testing? This thing about adding variants? It says AZ here, I guess because we can do up to 21 tests. A/B testing is basically having a message A and a message B, got it? For the same situation, two different emails, you know. The first email goes to 5% of the people, the second to another 5%, and the best performer goes to the rest. It's a way of testing, isn't it? And getting better results, okay? And here, as you can see, we set when we want the next message, right? The message, here we have the first message, okay? So when do we want to receive the second one, right? The second message. For example, I want the next message in 3 days, okay? We'd set it up to send the next message in 3 days, right? Then we'd configure the campaign, adding the steps we want, okay? Typically a campaign sends about 3 emails, but it depends on what we want to do. There's no exact formula, okay? It all depends on your specific case. Here's the schedule to set message times, 9 AM to 6 PM for instance, okay? This is how we create our first campaign with Instantly.ai. Alright, how can we access statistics in Instantly.ai? We have sections like Univox, where we receive responses and data from our emails and campaigns. But of course, we have the analytics section here, right? Here we can view campaign analytics and account analytics. As you can see, it's empty now, but here we can see how many messages we've sent, the open rate, click-through rate, response rate, and the percentage of revenue or opportunities generated from sent messages. So that's how we can view statistics in Instantly.ai. Alright, let's take a look at Instantly.ai "S payment plans." I know I haven't shown the CRM, for example, but it requires... As you can see, you need to connect HyperCRM and subscribe. So I haven't even shown the web part, but it worked like any CRM. Let's click Get All Features. and you'll see the prices, okay? Yes, 125 monthly emails, 25,000 contact. I thought it was unlimited, but no, it's $100 a month, okay? That's a pretty steep cost. The platform is intuitive, easy to use, and looks great. I'm sure it works well, but it has quite high costs, alright? Instantly, we're looking at instantly.ai quote S ratings here, which has a 4.3 from 600 reviews, okay? If we look, 14% gave it 1 star, right? Most gave it between 5 and 4 stars, about 84% in total. And, well, the 1-star reviews say, everything's locked in lower tiers, but it's not shown on the pricing page. That's important, huh? Of course, there's only one payment option here, right? I'm not sure if they've changed this. Instantly.ai pricing. Oh, I see. They only show you one option, yeah. There we have it. These are the pricing tiers, right? This is the one they showed us, the $97 one. Oh, I see. But what's the plan? What's the issue? Yeah, they do show everything, don't they? True, they hadn't shown me the others before. That's a bit, but well, here we have the payment plans. Ah, I see what they're trying to tell you. Okay, got it. They're saying it's locked because there are different payment plans for different features. I get it now. So for sending messages and stuff, they have this pricing, $37, $97, or $358 per month. For leads, there's another plan, watch out, and for CRM, there's yet another buddy. I thought so. I was like, what? And here, of course, there are tons of people complaining. I've paid for a service I never received. Sure, people are complaining because it seems they promise you everything for one fee when that's not the case. Alright, well, cool. So I've got a video helping you guys out, huh? You're welcome, eh? For the advice. Well, look, it's not that they're lying exactly, but yeah, it's true that by not specifying it, one might assume they give you everything, right? That's usually how it's done. But, well, we're seeing what they offer us here for these payment plans. We've already seen the $97 per month one. And we have the leads plan, right? They give us 1,000 verified leads for $40 a month, man. Those prices are something else. Expensive, huh? I get why they do this. Without leads, you can't use the platform, but geez, what a price. And that's yearly. $50 a month for 1,000 verified leads. And the CRM, what's the price for that? Well, the CRM is $47 a month out. But compared to other CRMs, true, we couldn't see inside the CRM, so I can't say if it's good, but I doubt it's great. It's not a dedicated CRM tool. Usually CRMs have many pages. This has just one for CRM. So sure, having everything centralized helps, but be careful, folks. Be careful. Hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you in future videos.